cigarettes after sex concert.
Joy sắp để rửa bát. Hello. Oh my camera. I just got home. It was an amazing show. I cried a little bit. It was a little short. I wish it was longer. I guess like they don't have that many songs in general. We actually missed the first song. I thought there'd be some sort of opener, so we purposely went a little bit later and we missed like the first song and like a half of the second song. But that's okay because I didn't miss any of my favorites. And I have Drake concert tomorrow, which is crazy because like one day I go to Cigarettes After Sex and then the next to Drake, which is like totally opposite.
Kisses your cheek.
Good morning. I haven't vlogged in a minute because last weekend we did a lot of social things because we have friends coming out of town, and then I had cigarettes after sex, and now I feel socially drained. It's not like I didn't enjoy hanging out with any of them, it's just that whenever I'm around people a lot all the time, then I just get really drained and I just need some time to just chill and like recharge. It's Saturday today and it's a beautiful day. It's also beginning of September now and I'm actually terrified of summer ending. I get really bad seasonal depression and it's gonna rain a lot here where I live, so we're trying to grip on summer as much as we can. So we're going to a waterfall. Also, if I sound a little stuffy is because I'm feeling a little bit under the weather, but I would still go out and enjoy some nature while I can.
But I didn't add too much salt, so I don't think it needs much salt.
I'm going to get my brows done today because my natural brows, as you can see, they are non-existent. So I'm gonna go get them microbladed.
Hi guys, I forgot to film the result, but this is me editing and I'm not wearing any makeup, and these are my brows. They turn out so good. She killed it because they look so natural. They look like real hair strokes. I'm really happy about that.